In this video, I'm going to show you how to teleport in Once Human. So, once you're playing Once Human, teleportation is actually very simple. You want to open up your map by pressing M on your keyboard, and then in here you can see a bunch of things. And then once you hover over certain things, so let's say over here where there's Dadsville, you're sometimes able to teleport. However, when there's no teleportation tower, you cannot. However, one place where you can always teleport is your own base, so your territory. And as you can see, you want to hover over territory, and then you will see it says F to teleport. Now, for me right now, teleportation is on cooldown because there's a 10-minute cooldown after every single teleportation, and I just teleported over here. However, once teleportation cooldown is off, you'll be able to simply hover over your territory and hold down your F key on your keyboard, and then you'll be able to simply teleport over here. So wherever in the map you are, you'll teleport over here. It will take a few seconds to teleport, it will take you to the loading screen, and then you will simply get teleported to your home territory. So that's pretty much how you teleport in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.